Wow, this is the elevator at Pioneer Medical Park here in Irving. Let's go to 3, 2. Oh wow, so this is a vintage Hunter Hayes. You can go to 3, okay. It wouldn't work the first time I clicked it. We're gonna get off at 1. Too bad it was modernized though by EMR. We're gonna get off at 1 and end the video there. Yeah, when I hit 3, it wouldn't work the first time. It just lit up and then went back to normal because you have to hit it twice. There are your switches. We're gonna get back off here.